Growing a small account takes skill and the right tools. Watch as I put it all to the test. Welcome to my series where I trade alongside Vinny's legendary small account challenge from 2021. Here's how it works. I'm using the playback feature in NinjaTrader 8 to recreate the exact conditions Vinny traded during his challenge. You'll see my live charts as I analyze and execute trades, as well as Vinny's original YouTube video playing, showing his trades and commentary in real time. What makes this even more exciting is comparing AlgoBox from 2021 to today, following Vinny's trades with his tools back then, while reflecting on game-changing advancements like Enigma and Alpha Omegas, shows just how powerful AlgoBox has become for modern traders. My goal is to follow his strategy step by step and see if I can achieve similar results while giving you a front-row seat to the action. This is an incredible learning experience for me and hopefully for you too. Ready to dominate the markets? Start your free 14-day trial of AlgoBox today and save $7,000 at checkout with code MO. Like, comment, and subscribe for more epic trading content.
Up top on the 89s, so we could have some good opportunities in there. Okay, that I'm gonna kick myself for missing that one. I'm up here looking at the high time frames. We are just now 5 minutes past the open here. Again, I'm looking for a short side right now, following the MACV. Although those two played out very well. This is a great example. We'll come back here this evening and talk about, passing up on those right there. And how, still could have scalped on those. One of the disadvantages of streaming that as I'm trying to communicate my thought process and stuff, I'm gonna miss some. And that was a perfect example right there. Alright, MACV shifting back to green. Okay, so now we can be looking for the greens. There's a king crossover timing right there. Now, again, highest time frame, one thing I want to point out that I was just looking at why I missed that last one. So we've got a red dot on the tide. So biggest setups right now are actually to the short side, and wave is at the top of the regression channel here. So again, maybe a good opportunity to suck this back down on RTY. So I'm really kind of looking for my bigger trade opportunities to the short side. So that little up move there surprised me a little bit. I'm just kind of talking about my thoughts out loud. Again, you do not have to be perfect to succeed. Hopefully you guys learn from that as well.
Fib dot, NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
We're coming up on king timing here in about 5 bars here on RTY.
Harmonic ES on the Harmonic NQ on the 2.
That's YM doing. YM is on a clip up here. We're back to MACV green here. Okay, so
target
let's see.
Divergence up NQ on
Fib
the
dot,
24.
NASDAQ on the Tuesday. J hook long.
Let's take a look at YM while it's on the move.
NASDAQ on the Tuesday. Fib dot, NASDAQ on the Tuesday. Harmonic pattern, NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little stab here at this double dot. There is a pink dot in there, so I'm a little concerned about that, but we've got a little space up here into the back of this harmonic.
NASDAQ on
And
the
MACV solid green across the boards there. Got my finger over the close if we don't get there.
Upper bands touching on the 24.
Get there.
target.
Excellent, excellent. All right. We're coming right up in here into a potential shift point. We are at the back of a sharp harmonic here. Let's see if we get any activity back here. I got my finger over the cell. Just give me a reason.
Harmonic pattern. Nasty.
Fib.NQ on the 5.
So that's 2 trades in on the morning here.
Double Delta RTY on the 1.
Fib dot. Nasty.
Nope. Oh, RTY putting in a red headshot.
Fib dot. Nasdaq.
I'm gonna toe in the water here on red headshot. On that, come down. Oh, I gotta stop pressing the 5 key.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 24.
Okay, now I'm going against the favorable there, but again, I really feel like we're at the back of this spot here where we could take a shot. Oh, we might not. Got my finger over the close.
Short. Target filled.
Excellent. All right. Not too bad. 3. And we got pink dot up here. So again, lots of opportunity there. All right, we might be hitting the shift. I'm not. It's very, very fast. I'm not going to be able to keep up with the communique here. I don't think. Let's see. So got the delta shift in there as well. High time frames. Is this going to give us the trifecta? It's going to hand it out. Let's see. Oof, all right, I wish I would have gotten in a little bit on that YM. So YM. Let me see if I can use this button instead. Top mid. Is that going to work? Yes. There it is. Oh, okay. So I looked down that RTY, and that can happen. So just for a split second, you know, look, folks, the streaming thing in me. Oh man, look at this beauty, right? I hope some folks got this YM. Again, great little play here off the back of the shark back on YM. Again, right now I want to focus on education with you guys, but you know, if I'm trading this, you know, live, no distractions and whatnot, probably could have gotten both these opportunities here on RTY and the YM. Playing this like a video game. We're getting a lot of speed here. And you know, I'm all about the speed. I think it's a lot easier to trade when you've got speed. When it's the slow, choppy stuff, you know, forget all that. You know, I just see just pressing buttons, boom, react, and popping out. This is the video game style I like. I'm hearing those sellers on the tape. Got my finger over the sell. Let's see if they'll give me. Just give me a reason. MACV coming back red. Going along with. Okay, there's a headshot. I'm gonna go half position here. For trade number 4.
Lower bands touch NQ on the 24.
Get my stops back behind the dot and the cross would be helpful.
Fib.RTY on the 1.
Oh, okay. Added a cross.
Fib.RTY on the 1.
Push it out. Let's get a measurement.
Fib.EM on the 1.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
All right, there's our gold line down below.
Fib.RTY on the 24.
Double cross, double move with a red dot headshot in there. Yes, please. I'm gonna add to position here, see if I can max that out. Finger over the close.
Double delta RTY on the 1.
Oh, come on, you missed me by a hair. On this pullback, this is where I should have added right here. I didn't think it was going to, though. It looked like it was going to go straight to it. So added a little bit early there to try to max out that position.
Lower bands touch RTY on the 24.
Order filled.
Is it going to get there? Yeah, we got to let these play out.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
Finger over the close here. Trade number 4. Come on, baby.
Target filled.
Okay, push it.
Touch RTY on the 24.
Push it. Phyllis.
Target filled. Fib dot. NASDAQ
Adding
on
to
the
position.
Fib.NQ on the 2. Double delta RTY on the 1. NQ on the 2.
I'm gonna push one of these out if she drops.
Fib dot.
I'll try to take advantage.
On the 2s.
My finger over the close. We do have a crossover timing right there. Come on.
Two-finger
Look at that
NQ
juicy
on the
PRZ
24.
target down there. Put that all the way down.
Fib dot. J hook short.
Okay, J hook, and that entry's gonna be up there.
Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s.
Got to respect the J hook. Now I've got J hook potential here. That's target 1 right there.
Long. Look for long.
Okay. Yikes. That's popping more than X. I'm just gonna close it. I don't know what's gonna happen right there. Yikes. Okay. Man, oh man, didn't get as much as I wanted to out of that. Did that touch or did it not? My measurement might have been slightly off on that.
Double delta RTY on the 4. Double delta RTY on the 1.
Got my finger over the sell. We're on large. I'm going to try this one more time to reinitiate. I might regret this. Let's see. Trade 5 here. Trying to dive back in. Getting it down to that gold line down below.
NASDAQ on the MACV.
I have not touched that gold line yet. Here's target 1 for the J hook. That is barely a touch of it. I mean, I'm playing with fire here. We're on
Fib dot NASDAQ on the Tuesday.
Oh, I'm gonna pay for it. Closing it. Okay, taking a loss on trade 5. Oh, bummer. Okay, that got me. You got me, RTY. You got me. I wonder if my measurement was perfect on that, because it literally, I mean, went right to, oh, I think it touched it right there, and I got greedy and tried to push it a little bit more there.
Long. Look for a long.
Okay, we got another. Is this a double cross coming in here?
DCDMRTY on the 1.
All right, let's see. Let's let this play out here. What's our
on the 1.
MACV telling us? MACV is shifting to the long side.
Fib dot.
Look at the high time frame.
Fib dot NASDAQ on the 5s.
We are right back in the golden ropes. We've got a new bar there. So we are 5 trades in. Now I need to be thinking about what? 6 trade bonus trade here. It's got to be perfect. Is this going to get back down there?
NQ on the 5.
Red dot coming in. I got my finger over the sell. Here comes king timing at about 2 bars. Is this the perfect trade? I think it's going to be. I'm going to get it. There we go. Red dot coming in with it. I've got high time frames. I got a red dot on the 5s. We still didn't get to that gold line down there. Where is the gold line? Put it right on that gold line.
Fib dot.
Oh, come on now.
NASDAQ.
All right, I'm going to put on a little bit of risk here. I may regret this.
Harmonic on the 1. Harmonic RTY on the
Drop it. I want to try to maximize this to the push.
NASDAQ on the
double delta on the 1.
Oh yikes! Green dot just showed up right in front of a double king. Let's see. Come on. I hear sellers trying. I'm going to add to position right there. Okay, come on, drop it. Get down there. Got red, red, pink from the top. Double king timings. Yeah, got a little green there. Majority of the MACV histogram is red.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
Can't add any more to this position. I've got to hold and finger over the close here.
Fib dot. NASDAQ.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Long. Order.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
Fib dot.
There's even a pink dot on the wave as well.
Fib dot.
Red dot. Okay, normally I would be adding to position right there. Can't do it. Small account. Again, limitations of the small account. Let's see.
Short.
Let's see. Short. Go. Come on.
Fib.RTY on the 4.
Target fill.
Got a red dot now coming in on the 5s after the double king timing. Come on, give it a big drop. Come on, give me that big drop. Come on. There's a big juicy PRZ target down there.
Fib dot. NASDAQ. Fib dot. NASDAQ on the 2s. Fib dot.
Okay, green dot coming in right there, right in front of it. Come on, you gotta break that. There's a red and a green right there. Come on, break it.
Harmonic pattern. NASDAQ.
Oh, she's toying with me.
Divergence up NQ on the 9. Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Look for a long.
And that looks like it's forming a Richie right there. Might not be enough to do it.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Order.
Harmonic pattern, NASDAQ, on the 2s.
Harmonic
Target
RTY on the 1.
Target fill. Target fill.
Is it gonna be?
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
Order filled.
Drop it.
Order
So
filled.
on the high time frame wave is probably about, I mean, it's got about 5, 6, 10 more
$50.
ticks
NASDAQ
down
on the
in
2.
space before it's got a new bar. Come on. Do it.
Fib dot, NASDAQ, on
Mac
Fib
V.
dot,
I mean,
NASDAQ,
pretty solid
on Mac
red.
V.
Double Delta NQ on the 2.
Come on.
Double Delta RTY
Fib dot,
NQ on the 2.
NASDAQ, on the
Fib
way.
dot NQ
That should
on
have
the
shaken
5.
all kinds of shorts out and
Target
buyers.
fill.
Yes, thank you. Okay, that's half of mine off here. Let's see if we get the rest of the
Fib
drop.
dot, NASDAQ, on the Mac V.
That's really all I was looking for from before off of my double cross, so I'm pretty happy with that.
Target.
Fib dot
Target.
NQ on
Got
the
green
5.
dot right
Lower bands
there
touch
and
NQ on the
cross.
20.
Okay, I'm not gonna risk it. Can't do it. Oh wait, red dot. Okay, let's go. I mean red
Fib
headshot.
dot,
That's a red
NASDAQ,
headshot.
on the wave.
Okay, 7th trade here. I'm gonna kick myself if I'm over trading here
Order
now.
filled.
But yikes. Okay, so that red dot headshot shows up
Lower dot
right
is
at the
touch on
last.
the
Here
20,
is
24.
target 1 on the
Target.
J hook. Technically my 7th
Fib dot
trade.
NQ on the 2.
Where was I prior to that? I had just crossed over the $1,000
Double Delta
threshold.
NQ on the
We're at
24.
1120 right now. And am I going to regret this final one?
Short. Look for a short.
Double
Finger over the
Delta
close.
RTY on the
I
1.
got
Fib dot NQ on the
white
24.
cross showing up here. Yikes. There's technically a green headshot on the higher time frame.
Divergence up NQ on the 9.
I'm hearing sellers. Push it. Closing it. All right. No. All right. Not going to do
Lower
it.
bands
Not
touching
going to
yellow
do
delta
it. There
lower one.
is too much danger right here on that. We've got... Technically, that was a 7th trade. Shouldn't be trying to push that right there. Oh my
Look
goodness.
for a long.
I'm actually interested to see how this is going to play out. Hold on a sec. Let's see.
Fib dot RTY.
There's the king timing. Here's normally where I would want to add to position right on the king timing, but we've got the headshot up top here.
Fib dot, NASDAQ,
Mac
on
V
the
solid
2s.
red.
Harmonic pattern,
Okay, there's
NASDAQ, on the 2s.
red dot showing up there. Would normally add.
Order
DC.
filled.
We're 6 trades in
MRTY on the
here.
1.
Man, I want to press that button.
Harmonic NQ on the 5.
I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. I'm
Fib dot
getting
NQ
short.
on the 2.
Order filled.
Under the red dot, there is a PRZ target right down there. I know I'm going
Fib
against
dot,
this headshot up
NASDAQ,
here.
on the
Technically, I
2s.
need to get this stop back behind that white cross if I'm going to make that happen.
Fib
King
dot NQ on the 2.
timing.
Fib dot, NASDAQ,
Oh, I'm going to get stopped out here. I'm only 2 contracts in, but... Oh, man. Okay, that's what I get. That's what I get, folks. Oh, my man. There's so much to learn in that right there. Holy
Fib
cow.
dot, Fib dot,
Double
NASDAQ, on the
Delta
2s.
RTY on the
What
1.
not to do.
Harmonic
So
pattern,
that is 8 trades. I tried to get that 7th and 8th in there
Fib dot, NASDAQ,
and did
on the
not
short.
pay off there.
Order
Um,
filled.
Double
Let
Delta
that
NQ
be
on
a
the 2.
lesson. I am 8 trades in. Like I want to come over here to my little sheet of paper here. Let's zoom to.
Double
NASDAQ,
Delta
How do I get
RTY
back
on the
over to
2 on the
my
9.
my paper here? I ought to have. Where's my Trump making fun of me sound? Oh man, hey yeah, if you're not following us over here on Facebook and of course here on Instagram. Instagram is where I'm really trying to have the majority of my fun over there, and it does share out over to
Fib dot E on
Facebook
the 1.
as well. But I'm over here tracking through my 5 to 6 trades. Again, 5 trades plus 1 bonus is fine. 6 is fine. I'm at
Lower
8 trades
NQ on the
right now,
24.
and really this was like a 30-minute session. Let me see how long it's been recording. We're at 22 minutes
Fib dot.
of
Nasdaq
recording.
harmonic
Divergence
pattern.
down.
We're not even to 10 a.m. yet, and yes, I had one trade, you know, early morning there with that red headshot that I showed you guys, but
RTY on the 1.
yikes, getting stuck on that. So I'm sitting here, I should be right here, folks. This is, again, myself, okay? Yes, the market's moving very fast. I think we're gonna have a lot of trade opportunities
Harmonic pattern.
here today, but, you know, staying with that discipline and the numbers of trades right here. I would be up over $1,000 here this morning if I just hadn't kept trading on, right there. Like I gave up some, not a lot.
NQ on the 24.
But, you know, perfect. Oh, and look, see, and then that headshot is playing out now against me. Not, I mean, it's the long side shot. Number 5. There we go.
Fib dot. Nasdaq on
So
the
yeah, double dot headshot to the long side, higher time frame is playing out there. Did not even break the bottom of that.
Fib dot.
You know, and I'm sitting here trying to force that down because I'm upset because this really didn't touch. I mean, you know what? I bet it did. Let's learn a little bit more here.
Harmonic NQ on the 2.
I'm gonna kick my own butt
Harmonic
here.
NQ on the 2.
Let's measure this out. So I did the first
Double
measurement.
delta
Where did I
RTY
end the measurement? Because this could have been. No, that's the shortest one. Okay, so I could have like let's say that I had put this in the middle of the crosses. Like oftentimes, it's really what I normally do. This one, I played it to the safe side, and I think that's why even more so
Nasdaq on the 2.
that I really wanted to hit that gold line. You see how that moves it just a little bit, but enough. Right there, okay? So I'm basically right there. It might have been even a hair nudge farther down than that because I feel like it was a couple of pixels miss, but technically it hit. Do you see that to the penny? Double cross, double move, hits it to, I mean, that was to the penny, right? But I'm over here getting a little bit greedier because oftentimes, folks, you'll see this a lot, right? A double cross, double move hits to that, but it goes a little bit farther, right? Now I didn't get all my targets filled, so I'm just obviously fixated on that target. That's another, you know, problem right there on that. But it literally went, it gave me exactly what it's supposed to give me, but I try to make more out of it. Everybody get that, right? I'm kicking my own tail for that too, because I mean there were other opportunities in here that I could have played into. Entry with a double cross here on a J hook, instead being able to play that instead of sitting there still trying, because fixated on the fact that I can't believe that didn't go down another hair.
Nasdaq on the 2.
And even here, I mean, this actually ended up becoming like some kind of level
RTY on the 1.
right here. Now, the thing that had really gotten me on that short side tear is up here on high time frame.
DCD
Harmonic
on the
pattern.
1.
I've got RTY with the red dot in the highest time frame wave. I've got pink here. Okay, so both of these high time frame, I'm looking like we could get pretty big move, but again, timing, right? Like what am I doing? I'm still inside the golden ropes. Yes, originally we were at the top of the golden rope, so I can play it down into the golden rope, no problem. But if this is going to go like this, right, I gotta leave it space to do that, and I did not. Now this came in just moments ago. That was not there. That makes it easy to see that we've got green now, you know, coming in on the wave. So let that play out. Wait till it gets to a timing line, some other setup here before we just swing back at that again. But that double cross, double move on that one, I really feel like I got just, you know, completely fixated on that going farther than what it was going to give. And I think it also was probably because of the J hook, right? I thought, okay, I've got the J hook with me, but look, sometimes the J hook doesn't play out. That J hook did not play out even to target 1. You guys see that? Now, what saves me from those last 2 losers? Easy. Just count my trades. Even if I took my 6th trade there, fine. I should be good. 6 trades or 60 to 90 minutes, right? I let this trick me up.
On the 2.
Right here, trying to get more out of that. And we got exactly double cross, double move. And I mean, this isn't a bad play there, but it's, again, I'm beyond my count at that point.
Harmonic EM on the 1.
But yeah, I mean, it's normally a good play there. Keep the stop back behind it. You know, could I have predicted that? No, not unless you're also thinking, well, I've got double green dot headshot coming in here at the lowest time frame, so it could, I guess you could, right? But MACV at the time was majority red for the histogram.
Harmonic short on the 1-1.
Look for
Okay, so anyway, I'm going over this to hopefully reinforce it for myself. Hopefully teaching you guys. Oh, that is a juicy headshot right there. Is it after 10:10? Okay, so I need to be sitting on my hands right now. 10:10, 10:30. Let's take a little break here, and morning session. We'll call it. I may do an afternoon session. I'm not certain at this point, but in the morning, let's look at percentages. How do we do here on percentage? What's today? The 12th?
NASDAQ.
short.
And so it's Monday.
NASDAQ on the 2s.
Let's pull up our thing here and let me kick my tail for ruining my percentage from all of that.
Short.
So numbers of clicks, I always like to call this numbers of clicks instead of numbers of trades, because it literally is how many times you clicked. Alright, so 35 clicks throughout the morning here, and we did 755 after commissions. Again, that commissions level should not have been that high on that first red headshot pre-open. I had to play with that one back and forth. So turnout 51% profitable, could have been a lot better. And closing out the morning with 755.
Target filled.
And that is a bummer. Now, over from the standpoint of from last week to this week, profits from our little competition. Now remember, the 5th was a holiday, technically speaking, but I'm just, for brevity and simplicity's sake, we'll include that day, so it's not truly, a full weeks of trading starting today. If you included today's, it would have been the full week from last week. So overall, 58% profitable. Here's what I always tell you guys to focus on right here is that profit factor, 2.29. That's good. That means your winner's 2.2129 size the times of your losers. That is pretty darn good. If it's over 1.5 and the 1.7s, you're good. A lot of our members are hitting 4s and 5s on the big move days. And same thing with myself. I'll hit those big profit factor days, and then other days on the losing side, this should balance out. But we want to keep this profit factor, nice and high, and that's the key to kind of what we're doing. Pinpoint entry locations, whether it's a headshot, PRZ cross, HMD, double cross, double move, even on those double cross, double moves, right? It's technically your stop is just behind a cross, small stop, big target, and that's what adds to playing that out over time. That profit factor is going to help you. So over the 1 week into our competition so far, we are at 5807 after commissions, and that's where we currently stand. Hopefully you guys got something out of the live stream here, and I'll catch you guys possibly this afternoon. Come head over into our Discord chat there. We'll be chatting up some more there. This is Sit on Hands. We will grab a little bit of some coffee here, check in on the I got a pregnant wifey right now, I got 2 little ones, all that kind of good stuff. So life stages, we all go through different ones. There are times when I've been available more, there's been times when we're less, and the flexibility that AlgoBox allows you, in my opinion, to be able to come in here, sit down at any time, mash some buttons and trade, and then walk away, right? Go off and do your thing, and the 5 and 6 trades, the time is really gonna allow me to do that. I'm really kind of annoyed at myself for going over that, trying to push it a little bit too hard there, and went 8 trades and gave up some of that. Would have been cool to say day 1 back in over 1,000. But didn't quite get it. So I will likely trade the afternoon, but again, I'm not gonna hold myself to that. Somewhere in there, we're going to do a recap video, although I kind of tried to recap right here, so hopefully that was helpful to you guys. And I feel like now I am just babbling on, so I will try to put some things together a little bit more critiqued in my recap here this evening. And if I've got the energy to do so in the afternoon, we'll get to some trading this afternoon in have to check in with the wifey to make sure all of our schedules. I know we've got some guys working outside here today on the property, but I will